The selection techniques programming challenge 1 is here for you. If you have already seen the rules, please skip few seconds to reach the problem description scene. Please go through these rules before you take this challenge. Please take a notebook and pen before you read further. Problem shown here will also depict a recommended time to solve with acronym shown as RTS. You are advised to keep it as a guideline for you. Don't worry much if you take higher time than the recommended time. Efficiency increases by practice only. Right? You are requested to pause the video after the problem is shown to you. If you really want to evaluate yourself, please do so. After some time of the problem slide, you will be shown the hint slide. You should play the video further to watch the hint and then pause again to try solving the problem again. After that, you are brought to the detailed solution page. Please watch every second of it and compare it with your own solution. Complete the unfinished program below so that if user inputs a lowercase alphabet, it gets converted to uppercase alphabet. And if the input is a uppercase alphabet, the output is its lowercase version. If any other character is entered, no change occurs. For example, small a becomes capital Z becomes small z, and 6 remains 6. Please do not use Java library case conversion functions. Please pause the video now and try to solve the problem. Play it further when you need the hint. Add 32 to integer casted uppercase character to get a lowercase character and subtract 32 for vice versa case. Decimal ASCII value of uppercase A to Z is 65 to 90 and for lowercase A to Z is 97 to 122. Pause again now. Replay further when you are ready with the answer. Here is the detailed solution. Let's explain you the solution. Here I am using again NetBeans. So this is the line package and this is import requirement so that we can use this java.util.star so that we can use this scanner class to collect input. Okay, this we had already given you in the problem so that you can complete this easily. And with this we are trying to collect a single character. There is no provision to collect single character in scanner class, so we are actually collecting the whole line and then getting the 0th character of that line. And to avoid that first character cannot be space, so we are using this trim also. So here we get this in this C, the collected character is there. Then this is the catch. In the if condition, what we have given is, we have first converted this C to int value so that this ASCII value can be checked. Okay, this 65 and then range till 90. So if it is a capital character, that means from capital A or uppercase A to uppercase Z. Then what we are doing is, then we are first adding 32 to the integer value so that it gets converted to small case A to Z, and then again casting it back to the character so that the same can be printed. And in another case, for reverse case, we are checking from 97 to 122 and then reducing 32, and the same kind of casting we are doing. And then if any other condition is there, we are simply printing the same character, whatever has been input. So let us try to run this problem. Run this here. In this window, this asks me for a character. Let me type capital A. So it outputs small a. Right? So again, let us test it again. We will run it again. And then we'll now type it here, small a. So it converts to We can check it on any condition. We are now again running it to check for say maybe character 6. So it should remain that. So with the logic itself, you can understand that this will run perfectly well. So there is no need of using the uppercase and lowercase type of functions in Java. We can straight away do it with the help of casting and using this if-else conditions. Thank you. Here is problem 2 for you. Here is a program with nested if-else conditions. Can you make it a simpler program by removing all redundancies in the if section of the program? Please pause the video now and try to solve the problem. Play it further when you need the hint. Nested if and additional condition check in the outer else may be redundant. Pause again now. Replay further when you are ready with the answer. Here is the detailed solution. In this case, I have been asked to correct this program so that these if conditions are actually optimized and redundancy is avoided. So let us see if actually this program works. Let me run this program. This gives me a result. Hard check needed false. So this BMI value is actually 20, and if I follow this loop, this is greater than 25, so less than 25 will work. So this false will be rejected. So hard check needed false has come. Okay. So let us observe what corrections we can do. One is this if BMI greater than 25 has been checked here, greater than or equal to 25, and this is less than 25. So if I remove this if condition again check, this should be sufficient. Okay, this one I can straight away remove because if is greater than 25 check, so obviously else would be less than 25 check. So this can be there. Now here is an interesting observation. This condition diabetes is a Boolean condition true, and hard check initial is also true or false based on if diabetes is true or false when there is extra BMI. So interestingly, if I remove this if completely, I'll just remove this if completely and do something interesting thing. See, I'll just make it equal to diabetes because this true and false matches actually, and the data type for both is same. So this can be completely avoided. Interesting. So this has become if BMI is greater than or equal to 25, hard check essential follows diabetes. That means if it is true, this will be true. If this is false, this will be false. And so with this correction, this has really been optimized. I hope it should work in the same way. Let us run it. Great. So it is again coming as false. Now let us improve this BMI. Let us increase. Let us make it 26. What is the answer? Let us see. So this comes to be true now. Interesting. So this becomes a simple if-else loop now. If-else condition rather, not loop. So BMI greater than 25. So hard check essential follows diabetes, and else it is false. So hard check needed. Printing would be true because this value is 26 now. Thank you.